guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel and welcome from Serrano Farms here in Mulshi, Pune. So I'm staying here at this place and it is really a really nice place. एकदम जंगल में बसा हुआ है and ऊपर से also 1 kilometer अंदर है inside the jungle. There are a lot of adventure activities that you can enjoy over here and the highlight of this place is a jungle safari that they take on a 4x4 car, which is going to be super fun. So let's get started with the video. Start with showing you around the property and then the stay, and then we'll go and enjoy the other activities that you can come here to do.
Serrano Nature Resort is located in Mulshi, which is approximately 1 to 1.5 hours from Pune and 3 to 3.5 hours from Mumbai. And as the name suggests, it's located inside a forest with the beauty of nature and greenery around.
So those are the stay cottages over here. यहाँ पे 6 cottages ही है and it looks like a tent, but अंदर बहुत ही luxurious room भी है. Let me take you inside our room, which is so pretty and very cozy. So this is our room. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा कि यहाँ पे 6 cottages ही है and this is one of our rooms, which is room number 4, and this is the room and it's like a cottage kind of vibes. You can see the ceilings, which is like so high and has very nice beams around it. I really love architectural and design, so I really admire the style that they've gone for in this room. And this is a comfy bed. It's actually a very nice big king size bed and the room is also quite spacious. This is the cupboard and there's a TV over there, and going forward over there, that's the washroom area. So it's a pretty decent room for 2 to 3 people. There's also a clubhouse over here, starting with a mini library that you can see behind me. Enter karte, there's this mini library section. There are seats where you can sit and read if you like. And then going ahead, this is conference room. There's a carom room. There's a gym over here that you can enjoy doing your workouts over here. So this is the area just outside the reception lobby area. यहाँ पे कुछ seating options है और rather interesting seating options बनाया हुआ है. As you can see this crocodile shaped seat. वहाँ पे एक chessboard shape of seat है and उसके जो chairs है just stone के बने हुए हैं. It reminds me of the cartoon series Flintstones, if you remember. तो उसमें वैसा सा furniture होता था. I love that cartoon series. So yeah, वैसा ही है and उसके पीछे is a झूला and there's the clubhouse reception area right over there. The lawn area, यहाँ पे rain shower भी है to enjoy. मतलब if you had a group, you can come here and enjoy in the rain shower. Plus वहाँ पे jacuzzi भी रखा गया है and यहाँ पे एक अच्छा सा lawn है. मतलब if you have a group of people, you can come here and enjoy. बहुत सारा greenery है आसपास and बहुत ही शांत है because it's all covered with huge trees around. So here there are different settings to like hang out and chill. This is a mini tree house which is so cute. It's made out of wood and it's so rustic. यहाँ पे 2 chair भी लगाया है and a table so that you can chill here and just enjoy being with nature. बहुत ही अच्छा है. And from here you can sort of see the property also from above, which is great. There are 2 types of packages that you can opt for, the day package and the stay package. Day package में included is the breakfast, lunch and high tea, and including all the adventure activities. And in the stay package you can come here during the lunch time, so lunch, high tea, dinner and the next morning's breakfast is included in that. Also the stay of course, and you can enjoy all the activities and the safari also in this as well. All the details of the prices would be in the description down below. Check out the link on the website. The prices keep changing, so I don't want to quote a specific price, but you can check their website to know the exact price for the day that you're booking for.
Later we had our high tea और फिर उसके बाद we headed for an action-packed ride in a car up the hill to enjoy the sunset and the views.
तो इट्स इवनिंग टाइम राइट नाउ एंड इवनिंग पे यहाँ पे एक एडवेंचर एक्टिविटी ये लोग करवाते हैं विच इज़ अ सफारी टू द टॉप ऑफ द माउंटेन एंड उसके लिए दे टेक यू इन दिस कार विच इज़ सो मच फन एंड वेरी थ्रिलिंग. मतलब गाड़ी पूरा हिलता है एंड देयर इज दिस टॉप लोड जहाँ पे आप खड़े होके भी आ सकते हैं. इट्स लाइक 15 मिनट्स ऑलमोस्ट राइड फ्रॉम द रिसोर्ट एंड इट्स फुल ऑन ऑफ रोडिंग. मतलब 100% ऑफ रोडिंग. कुछ रास्ता नहीं है, विच कच्चा रास्ता है फ्रॉम द जंगल फ्रॉम द माउंटेन्स. एंड यहाँ पे आके you come on this hilltop over here from where you can see the entire view of the Mulshi dam, the Mulshi lake, and also enjoy the sunset because ये sunset का time है. Really nice way to enjoy your stay over here. मतलब जो the ride is very interesting and very thrilling and then you come here and there's peace and बहुत ही greenery है. भी काफ़ी लोग हैं यहाँ पे but yeah, you can enjoy that while you come.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
So we easily spend like 30 minutes over here just chilling and just enjoying the weather. So अभी बजा है 6 o'clock and the sun has already set in the background and अभी climate थोड़ा chilly होना start हो गया है. इतना ज़्यादा ठंडा नहीं है कि स्वेटर वेदर जैसा हो बट हाँ थोड़ा बहुत ठंडा ज़रूर है यहाँ पे.
And now it was time to go back to the resort. And इस बार पीछे स्टैंडिंग में जाने का मज़ा लेना था.
अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. बहुत मज़ा आया. मतलब हम स्लोप से नीचे जा रहे थे. हम लोग जाते टाइम वी डिड नॉट गेट टू स्टैंड बिहाइंड. तो अभी आते टाइम हम लोग पीछे खड़े थे एंड वी वर फर्स्ट. एंड तो बहुत ज़्यादा वो फास्ट गाड़ी जा रहा था एंड जैसे ही वो टर्न्स एंड ऑल वगैरह थे बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. इट वाज रियली अमेजिंग.
After the thrilling experience, we headed for dinner. As mentioned, all the meals are included and Serrano Farms is a pure veg resort. All the food for the menu was brought to us to the table and it's a set menu which is unlimited. So खाने के बाद we called it a night.
गुड मॉर्निंग. इट्स द नेक्स्ट डे टुडे एंड अभी हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए जा रहे हैं विच इज़ इंक्लूडेड इन द पैकेज. क्लाइमेट ओवर हियर करंटली इज़ वेरी कूल. मतलब प्लेजेंट हो गया है क्लाइमेट बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ द ट्रीज एंड ऑल. सो या लेट्स हेड टू द ब्रेकफास्ट. देखते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या है टू ईट. Literally no network over here. Jio एक सिम है वो थोड़ा थोड़ा जगह पे चलता है but the other sims don't have network and also यहाँ पे वाईफाई भी नहीं है and according to them they do not provide वाईफाई because it's a right time to connect with your family. So अगर आप यहाँ पे काम करने के लिए आओगे that would be difficult because यहाँ पे नेटवर्क का बहुत इशू है. This is located in a jungle on a height. तो जियो थोड़ा बहुत ही चलता है बाकी कुछ चलता नहीं है. Now we're at the adventure park here in Serrano Farms. यहाँ पे कई सारे एक्टिविटी है जैसे जिप लाइनिंग है, हाई रोप कोर्सेज, मंकी टेल, बर्मा ब्रिज, फ्लाइंग स्विंग, बर्मा लूप, वी लूप, जिप लाइनिंग, साइकिलिंग, जाइंट स्विंग एंड उसके अलावा यहाँ पे आर्चरी, राइफल शूटिंग वो सब भी है। तो अभी हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे ये वाले सेक्शन से, ये सारे एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे एंड देन विल मूव फर्दर टू द नेक्स्ट कोर्स ऑफ एडवेंचर एक्टिविटी। राइट नाउ आई एम गोइंग ऑन दिस रोप वाला ऑब्स्टिकल कोर्स। तो बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कोर्सेज है, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। रोप कोर्स दिखता काफ़ी आसान है बट इट इज़ इन, यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक स्टेमिना, स्ट्रेंथ एंड उससे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टैक्टिक इज़ वेरी necessary. But yeah, this is the entire course that we did. It was super fun, very tiring. अभी हम लोग next जाएंगे zip lining करने को, which is again at the start point and this is the end point of the zip lining. And zip line के नीचे rock climbing भी है. I'm gonna skip the rock climbing, but zip lining is very fun. Like it. That was super awesome and super fun. This is the road and यहाँ से हम ऊपर से zip lining किया तो बहुत मज़ा आया and yeah, that was so fun. So now we are doing rifle shooting and archery, which is going to happen over here. So ये reception area के पीछे है. So the adventure वाला spot was a little further. We had to walk there and also climb. Slope था. And now we are back again at the main stay area. And we're gonna do this. I've never done this before. देखते हैं कि मेरा aim कैसा है. So that was a fun stay at Serrano Resort here in Mulshi. बहुत ही मज़ा आया, एडवेंचर एक्टिविटीज़ किया, बहुत ही फ़न वगैरह किया, खाना भी अच्छा था एंड द स्टे वाज रियली नाइस एंड कंफर्टेबल. बहुत अच्छी नींद भी आई रात को. So I hope you enjoy this video and got to know about this new place that is in Mulshi. आप अपने फैमिली फ्रेंड्स के साथ यहाँ पे आ सकते हो. If not first day, you can also come here for the day picnic, which is also amazing experience. अगर आप पुणे के आसपास रहते हो तो this is also a great place for the one day picnic as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is me, Grishma, signing off. Until I meet you again in a new place, in a new city. Bye-bye.